What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. Y'all already know I'm out here messing with this cutlass, and like I say, you always gonna have a problem when it comes to modifying a car, doing something to a car. But some days you just want to get out, just drive and do what you're supposed to do. But you know, that's the thing about old school. You gotta come outside, hope and pray that it damn crank up. But like I said, I was just coming outside to check on something. I ain't crunk it up in a little minute, but I came out here yesterday. Didn't really too much record, but basically, finna show y'all the spark plug or whatever. You know, y'all had told me to get these type of spark plug wires. Hopefully that it end up fixing my problem where it don't touch the header. But as you can see, I done already took the heat shield off because I done found out what it done to it. So I took it off, but I just put it back on for the video so y'all can actually see. So just imagine that heat shield on this one. I already took it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it for y'all. As y'all can see how close it is to the pipe or to the header. Let me pull it off. Look what it did. Burnt straight through. Try to get it to focus. There you go. Burnt straight through that wire. Like I said, these ain't no cheap wires, man. You talking fucking $100 wire. This shit burnt straight through it. So, like I say, you see it. There go your part number or whatever. Hold on. Let me let it focus, right? I ain't trying to focus. Let me take it off the motor right quick. Man, why it ain't focusing? There you go. There you go, right there. So that's what I end up putting on it. But I only did one to try to see everything. All my other spark plugs fit perfect. I ain't got a problem, but as y'all see, this is the problem. As you see, it been burning on it, burnt straight through the heat shield and the wire. So it does get extremely hot. But I'm gonna try to hook it back up. End up coming out here the other day, trying to crank the car up, and it was not cranking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put my little jump pack or whatever to it, crank the car up, and then hopefully it'll start up. But let me go and put this back on. But like I said, that shit burnt straight through it. Cause if you can see, it's sitting right on that damn pipe. And like I say, I ain't finna just keep buying fucking spark plug wires, man. This shit too high, man, for some simple shit. But I gotta end up getting that guy to trying to beat that pipe down and seeing what we can do to try to make it better and actually for it to stay on. And I just came out, and I think the reason why this battery did, because the alternator wasn't charging, it wasn't hooked up. This ended up coming off, this little cord right here. So we're gonna have to find a better way to get this cord to stay. And yeah, man, like I say, it's something new every day with this damn car. Like I say, you can't let it get the best of you, but sometimes you just want to say, fuck it, let it go. But I like, driving and enjoying it and stuff like that. But it's just so much work to keep going or whatever. But we're finna get it straightened out. Let me put this battery pack on this car right quick and see if we can get it to turn over. Because matter of fact, let me just see if it's gonna crank right now. See how the light coming on? We're gonna see if we can get it to start. If we can get it to start. If we can get it to start, then I already know what the problem was. The problem was the damn alternator wire wasn't hooked up. Wasn't recharging the battery, so let me see what we got. You hear the fans cut on. Everything cutting on. Nope, no power. Oh, let me check. It'll tell me my voltage. I ain't even think about that. See, as y'all can see, 5.8. So we ain't got enough cranking amps to start the car. So let me get out here and put this battery pack on here right quick. Try to charge it up and see if we can get some power to it. Alright, so I got my battery pack. I tried to come out here yesterday and do this, but end up hooking the battery pack up and find out it was dead. So all last night I ended up charging it, trying to make sure I had got a good, charge on it or whatever for today. Like I said, I was just gonna take it out yesterday and just pull out the garage since I ain't drove it in a minute, but I always run into problems. So like I say, that could have been another day. As you see, I ain't record, but shit happens. But like I say, with this old school stuff, man, it's just something every day. Y'all give me a second, work on one hand on this damn camera. Hold on one second, let me prop y'all up for a second so y'all can see what's going on. Alright. Set this up right quick. Put this on. Cut it on first. So we got a good charge. Go ahead and put the negative, positive. Cut it on. Damn. Yeah, y'all just see how that one jumped back off of it? Let me cut that shit off. Shit trying to kill me out here. Shit ain't trying to stay. Alright. Alright, so let it do what it do. Go ahead and try to crank it up and see what we got. It is a little dark out here, but if I cut the light on, damn, the bulb's gonna come on. See where we at. Alright, so you see the voltage going up. So let's see if we can crank it. Go. Make sure that it's what's the name? Yep, just like that we back up to the voltage, so I'm gonna let it run for a little minute. Let that recharge the battery. Like I said, I would drive it around, but as y'all see the damn spark plug wire, that's up. I ain't really trying to keep putting a brand new spark plug wire on cylinders on an 8-cylinder motor. So that's why I'm not really getting the full power of it. And I probably ain't really got the full power of it since I've been driving because it's been arcing. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully when I'm able to get done, get fixed, I'll be able to do what I need to do. But as y'all see, that's what we got. That was the pump right there. Hopefully that's the charger. But we're gonna have to figure out another way to put that up. Get these wires from sitting sideways right there. As y'all see how close that is. Burning that damn wire. Yep. Yep, but y'all see what I'm going through every day with this goddamn car, man. Like I say, you gotta be built. You gotta be built for this shit. Some days, man, I just be like, man, this shit crazy. But sounds good. She halfway running good, but when I get it all the way together, man, it's gonna be exactly what I wanted. You know what I'm saying? I always wanted a car like this, so you know, it is what it is. That's what I signed up for. You know, so y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think about the spark plug. What's the problem? What I need to do. I done tried the straight wires, I tried the boot wires, I done tried a bunch of different stuff. Only thing I can think of either changing the headers or heating it up and getting that piece pushed down in order for it to bypass. But like I said, y'all know more than what I know, so comment down below, send me some pictures or whatever, what y'all did to, you know, bypass the situation. But yeah, man, I just had to show y'all what was going on. You know, this was a short little video to try to get y'all a little content of what I can, but other than that, you know, that's the problem that I'll be running to right now. So I'm gonna let it run for a while, see what it do, crank back up, and good to go. Alright, so I'm in the car just riding around the neighborhood to see what it's actually doing. I can tell it's already arcing and everything. Yeah, man, we're gonna have to get that spark plug fixed ASAP. I don't really like the way it sounded. Still pulling and stuff, but it ain't running like it want to. It's skipping, so definitely got to get that fixed. Yeah. Just got to see what it is. And y'all already know, man, it's something every time, but luckily ain't been nothing major. So you just got to take your wins. Take your wins. I mean, take your losses. You know, so. I'm cool with it for right now, so we're gonna get that fixed. I just been working a lot here. The place that does it is right across the street from my job, so I'm gonna try to let them see what they can do. And he said, hell, all he can do is try, so that'll probably be the next video when I get off of work or whatever, and letting them see what they can do, see what they can fix it and stuff like that. But like I say, man, I ain't gonna hold this video too long. Y'all see I'm riding around trying to get the battery volts and stuff up, see if the alternator gonna charge and keep it cranking or whatever. But that's all this video about. Help me find these spark plug, get a solution, and solve the problem, man. So flip the camera around, trying to turn the corner. Like I say, man, just help me out. Comment down below, let me know what to do, and we'll just go from there. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all next video. All right.